Look at that. Like, look at that. What? It's wild. Gorgeous. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So amazing. I don't remember this. Is it like... Look at, there's a feather. You guys see that? Look. I don't remember this pile being there. I do remember this massive tree though. Look at that. Oh my god, how cute. So cute. Good mama bears encouraging the young. That's beautiful. Okay. Always love a good root system on the hike. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. It's so magical. Look at that out there. Tell me if you see anything too, you know, with your third eye. Ugh.